How to turn on or turn off stickers suggestions on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the stickers suggestions on the Discord app. So first thing, go to Discord and go down here and click on this option. Now right here you will find many options. All what you have to do to go to the stickers suggestions is go down and search for text and images, and here is it. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options, and here is the sticker suggestions on the Discord. You can turn it off or turn it on as you want, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.